Deputy Yumnam Joy Kumar inaugurates Hotel Dani Continental, the first venture of Dani Hotel and Resorts Private Limited. An All India Association of Medical Social Work Professionals kicked off its 7th Annual National Conference on Social Research in Healthcare at RIMS. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibete Talk Chong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar inaugurated Hotel Dani Continental, the first venture of Dani Hotel and Resorts Private Limited today. Speaking in the event held at Thangmaiban Maisnam Laikai, Thao Ground opposite, Y. Joy Kumar lauded the director of Dani Hotel and Resorts Private Limited, Vincent Koijam, for opening a fully equipped and updated hotel in the state. He said there are no hotels in the state which provide the same facilities like that of the hotels in metropolitan cities at the moment. He asserted that people visiting our state wants to stay in updated, safe and secure hotels. Expressing unfortunate over the less number of modernized form of hotels in the state, Y. Joy Kumar lauded Dani Hotels and Resorts Private Limited for taking the initiative to open one such hotel. He assured that the hotel will be one of the top hotels in the state. Speaking on the occasion, Director of Dani Hotels and Resorts Private Limited, Vincent Koizam, said the architecture and design of the hotel is done by Canville Design Associates, which is based in Mumbai. He said the hotel includes a multi-cuisine restaurant, have a total 35 rooms and will provide various exquisite cuisines to the customers. Top officials of the state government and police department attended the event.
Hotel available in Manipur do not provide type of facilities which people coming from outside aspire for. I've seen all the hotels, lots of my friends, my party president and others important people come and all these things, and that they have stayed in all the hotels. That's why I made it a point to see the rooms, and also I made it a point to see what the suites is going to be like. And I must say that probably as of right now, once this hotel is open, this will be the top hotel in Manipur. People coming from outside, there will be lots of people coming on for business purpose, and for many others, they want to have their stay in a safe and secure place and where basic comforts which they have been getting at other metropolitan cities, etc., are also available here. I must say that whatever facilities that is going to be provided, this is second to none existing elsewhere.
All India Association of Medical Social Work Professionals kicked off its 7th Annual National Conference at the Jubilee Hall of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Imphal today. All India Association of Medical Social Work Professionals, Northeast Zone, in collaboration with RIMS Community Medicine Department and Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JANIMS, organized a conference on the theme Social Research in Healthcare for the first time in Northeast. Speaking at the event, RIMS Director Professor S. Santa said medical social work professionals have significant roles in enhancing the healthcare sector. He asserted that the conference will greatly facilitate in enhancing the state health sector of the state. Resource persons from other states and more than 100 delegates will discuss on benefits of social research in healthcare sector and other relevant topics at the conference.
A medical social worker plays a great role in restoring balance in an individual personal, family, social life in order to help that person maintain or recover his or her health or strengthen his or her ability to adapt, reintegrate into society. It is my firm belief that interaction and the sharing the information, ideas, and the new literature in the field of the medical social work during this conference will go a long way in the advancement of the profession.
One-day orientation workshop on Unnat Bharat Abhiyan for participating institutions was held at the conference hall of National Institute of Technology in Lampilpat today. Speaking at the event, Imphal West DC N. Praveen stressed the need to link the workshop with that of the state government's Go to Village program for the development of the villages. He expressed desire for NIT Manipur to take major roles under the scheme launched in 2014 for the welfare of the society. He also assured that district administration will extend all possible help in bringing developmental changes to the villages. Director of NIT Manipur, Professor Gautam Sutradhar, was among those present at the event.
In Manipur, we have been conducting a program called Go to Village, and it was conducted from last year, and then Government Manipur just decided to continue this year too with a new vigor. And then in last year's experience, the kind of response that we got from the villagers was tremendous, and this time decided to do it, sort of second round kind of thing. So this time will be done with a greater intensity.
Unknown miscreants exploded a hand grenade at Tera Lukram Lerak Part 3 under Lumphil Police Station in Imphal West District yesterday. The incident occurred at the residence of one Kundrakpam Sarat, son of late Mani of the locality, at around 10:30 p.m. Impact News sources said that some miscreants hurled the grenade at Sarat's residence. The blast damaged some part of the gate, wall and mirror in the house. However, no casualties were reported. Lumphil Police has registered a case against the incident. Meanwhile, people of Tera Lukram Lerak Part 3 carried out a protest demonstration today against the bomb blast which occurred at the locality last night. Taking part in the protest, one protester, Kundrakpam Nandarani, condemned the bomb blast which created fear, psychosis and panic among the people of the area. She demanded those concerned to clarify the incident at the earliest. She appealed not to repeat such misconduct in future.
Isam samna aidi cheng cha khajik tang yolaga imung ase aina puraga leijabane ai isa su tha ahomuk suraga naraga hidak charaga kapaga leiribane singli gi kari sarugi nadana karmai tawdana asu wana ana ayeksu oiriba aina su pujariba imung sidai sida sen thokpa su amata yaudaba imung sida karamba ground karamba miyoina kari nungai tabagi damakta asugumba sathiba thong ase tawbiramno matungda asugumba thong ase tawbidana ba aina media gi thongda ai isana khoramjari.
Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization has condemned Nambol Municipal Council for providing alleged misinformation to the police and creating ruckus during the public meeting held at Nambol Market yesterday. Speaking to media at the organization's office in Nambol Market today, Organization Secretary T.H. Lamjingba said yesterday's meeting was held to discuss on the developmental activities of the women vendors of Nambol Bazaar and areas under Municipal Council. He condemned Nambol Municipal Council for carrying out such misconduct and demanded clarification at the earliest. Lamjingba also demanded the council to clarify for the unreasonable acts such as collection of money from street vendors for electricity and from those who got the vendors' properties at night in the market.
Mana masing khara lupa yang kai sama sina na ba yonje wala ko do tar lupa tara tara khome council sina phoi miam gi thadar ko paisa sing mi is to gi khoi da wakat mayam lae hoji mang da uriba ko gi 14 finance commission gi ko gi city bus parking da sariba public toilet se lupa lakh time thoi gi sanction ni hai adu bu masigi matak ta moina council gi lupa lakh tare ha ba lakh tram panchi ko sinares lady ba pm siga adu gi matik khenare government da minister mahur ki director dc sdo address to organi.
A new exclusive outlet of Likla Bakery was opened at the Lambung Rims Road today. Various food items produced by Likla Bakery will be made available in the outlet. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on campaigning for the assembly elections in Delhi, which will end this evening. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Afternoon News. Campaigning for the assembly elections in Delhi will end this evening. Leaders of various political parties are leaving no stone unturned to woo the voters. Union Home Minister and senior BJP leader Amit Shah addressed a series of meetings in Kondli, Trilokpuri, Krishnanagar and Gandhinagar yesterday. BJP President JP Nadda also addressed a public meeting in Jagpura and held two road shows in Adarsh Nagar and Trinagar. AAP convener and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal held a road show in his constituency, New Delhi. Party MP Bhagwant Mann held road shows in Chhatarpur, Mehrauli and Kalkaji. Senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi also addressed a public meeting in Kondli. He also addressed a rally at Mashia Mahal with Party General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi. Delhi will go to polls on Saturday to elect his 70-member assembly. Counting of votes will be taken up on Tuesday. Now the sports news. Mumbai City will play against Jamshedpur FC in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League 2019-20 at Mumbai Football Arena tonight at 7:30. In yesterday's league match played at Goa's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Goa FC dropped Hyderabad FC by 4-1. For the winners, Hugo Bomer scored 2 goals at 19th and 50th minutes of the match, while Ferran Corominas netted 2 goals at 68th and 87th minute. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by Marcelinho Leite Pereira at 64th minute of the match. Chennai City defeated Indian Arrows 1-0 in Hero I-League match played at Chennai's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium yesterday. For the winners, Katsumi Yusa netted the lone goal at the 58th minute of the match. Kerala Gokulam will play against Real Kashmir FC at Kerala's EMS Stadium tomorrow at 7 p.m. Mohun Bagan, Minerva Punjab and Trao FC are at the first, second and third position with 23, 17 and 15 points each respectively in the points tally. '28th Sector Assam Rifles Kakching Battalion organized a friendly football match which aimed to promote Fit India movement today. Pangalthabi Youth Club played against Assam Rifles in the match. A public health awareness program was also held as a part of the event. Sports Authority of India North-East Regional Centre Imphal in a press release notified that a selection trial for cyclists to attend Khelo India Academy for whole North-East states will be held for youths between the ages of 9 to 16 years. Interested candidates can acquire further details from SAI office. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar inaugurates Hotel Dani Continental, the first venture of Dani Hotels and Resorts Private Limited. An All India Association of Medical Social Work Professionals kicked off its 7th Annual National Conference on Social Research in Healthcare at JIMS.